Hi, Floyd here. So, New Year's resolutions, right? Want to lose some weight, save some money. Those are the two of the most popular. So let's talk about those for a second. So let's say that, use this analogy. You go out to a restaurant once a month. It's a favorite restaurant, costs you about 150 bucks for dinner. But rather than doing that, you decide we're going to go without that and save the $150. And we're going to have to change that into some other kind of currency, because if we leave $150 on the counter, we'll spend it. But now we can look at it as, well, we saved all those calories from not going to the restaurant, and we saved $150. So we're on track to do what we want to do for 2024. But you know that's not going to work, because we're busy, we like that restaurant, and it's only $150. Well, there's a way that you can pull that off. And I've got that link down below if you get bored of my chattering here, but just hear me out for a second. If you took that 150 bucks and applied that to buying precious metals, God, I can't talk today. Precious metals, a collection of coins, gold, silver, stuff like that, you'd be on the track for really having quite the savings account. You can take that product, whatever it is, and just stick it in the sock drawer and be proud that you saved $150 and you saved the calories from the restaurant. But my point here is that because we're all so busy and we've got so many things going on, we don't really want to take on another hassle of finding some gold, silver, and whatnot and screwing around with only $150. It's just, we just won't pay it the attention that it deserves. Because in time, that really does add up, and it adds up pretty quickly. So my point here is you can get this membership. I know, it's a membership that allows you to buy gold, silver, collectibles at one location. And you can put it on autopilot. That's the awesome part. You don't have to mess with it. You can take 20 minutes of your day and get a membership, lock that in, and hook up a auto ship, and you're done. And now you're going to be saving $150 of some type of precious metal that's going to be delivered to you every day, or not every day, every month. And you'll just throw it in that drawer, that sock drawer. Now, the subconscious thing that's going to be connected to that, well, that's your diet. So you're going to be reminded every month when you get that coin that the other side of that was, I was supposed to be doing something about my weight. So subconsciously, you might even try to do something a little extra. It's just that reminder. That's that little thing that we get. That's, well, it reminds me. I said I was going to do something like that. And that's all there is to that. You just get this membership. It is a yearly membership, unless you do the one-time offer that they do have, and you just buy it, and it's a lifetime membership. So you don't have to touch this thing anymore. It can just simply run on autopilot, and you've got a natural way of saving money with tangible resources that you'll be receiving that are going to keep going up in value. How crazy is that? And yeah, it's only 150 bucks a month average to get one of these things on an auto ship. And you'll be set. You'll be ready to go, and you just might even start losing some weight. So take a look at that link down below. When you first open up that link, there is going to be a corporate video there if you want to watch that. They talk about the company and a lot of other options that I'm not covering right here now. Or if you just want to get that 20 minutes and boom, just get it done, then just click the get started now and get yourself on the road to saving money in 2024. That's actually going to be building up extra revenue for the future, and maybe even get your kids and family involved in it too, because we all need to have some of that precious gold and silver. Those things have been around for hundreds of years. I hope you got a little bit out of this, and good luck with the diet.